Hello and welcome to this third module on the formation of oil and gas. In this module we'll cover two key areas. First, we'll look at the formation of oil and gas itself. We'll cover the role of tiny microscopic organisms that led to the gigantic oil and gas fields we know today. And we'll recognize that enormous heat and pressure transformed organic matter into oil and gas. Our second area, we'll look at the creation of an oil and gas field, and here we'll look at the three essential components to creating an oil and gas field. First, the existence of a source rock. Second, a migration pathway. And third, a trap or seal to prevent oil and gas from escaping to the surface. We'll also discuss in this section the two most common sedimentary rock types in which oil and gas are found. That's sandstone and limestone. And finally, we'll recognize that the Earth has a geothermal gradient and how this plays a major role in the formation of oil and gas reservoirs. Oil and natural gas are formed from tiny microscopic organisms known as plankton, which floated on the surface of ancient oceans. Now, there are many different types of plankton, but these are often categorized into plant plankton and animal plankton. Now, the plankton that live today are believed to be very similar to plankton that form the oil and gas deposits that we explore and produce from in modern times. Now, these organisms are extremely small. On a pinhead, you'd be able to fit about 10,000 individual planktons. Now, about 300 to 400 million years ago, these sea plants and animals died and settled down to the ocean floor and were buried by layers of mud. Over a period of about 50 to 100 million years, these fossilized remains were buried deeper and deeper. Enormous amounts of heat and pressure essentially cooked the organic matter and transformed it into oil and gas. Nowadays, we're able to drill down through many layers of rock to unlock these fossil fuels and recover them to the surface.